Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to talk to you ladies in regards to the purity video that I uploaded a few weeks ago. I just wanted to, start off by just coming in and introducing you guys more to like my story and everything like that, the reasons why I made the decisions that I made, and just sharing a part of myself with you guys just to make you feel a lot more comfortable about the decisions that you may make, or maybe feel a little less comfortable, or just realizing your worth in a lot of decisions that you make and things of such. I want to just talk about something that happened the other day. I realized through a friend that I never really realized how important my time was. Of course, we do say like time is important, and it's almost like a cliche these days. But what I've realized about myself is that I don't really realize how valuable my time is. And in most cases, I didn't realize my worth. Your worth, and saying, like this and that, and I'm worth this and I'm worth that, and I know I'm not worth that and I'm not worth this, is and has become a cliche as well. Like, I'm the person who always says, like, I know my worth. I know my worth. But do I really know my worth? Because I've wasted so much time dealing with different guys, just allowing them to waste my time, knowing that it wouldn't go anywhere, but still investing time into them and not getting anywhere. And sometimes knowing that it wouldn't go anywhere and still indulging in it. So, with that being said, just the introduction to why I made some of the decisions that I did make, which is not an excuse. I have corrected some of the things, but just getting into it, like, okay, purity. We're talking about purity. Of course, purity goes into like virginity and, whatever other things that other people would characterize purity as in their life. But for me, it is just, being pure and being abstinent, celibate, things of that nature. And I know that a lot of young women are going through that right now because of the times we live in. Like, it's just easier to go out and have sex and not feel bad about it because of, social media and stuff like that. So I just want to bring awareness to us being women and us having to really know our worth and really appreciate who we are, because most times we don't really think about those things. And of course, now it's kind of like a blur, like it's faded in the background. Nobody really pays attention to their worth these days because of, like I said, you got a lot of people on social media who people look up to who's not really displaying positivity or self-worth and stuff like that. So my major issue was that, of course, I didn't know my worth, filling a void. And like I said, I don't want to make this like a blame game, because it's not. Like, once I've realized what the problem is, I corrected. And of course, with the help of God, I was able to realize a lot of other things. So in my life, my parents, they were there physically sometimes, but more than the average like parent that wasn't there, I would say they were there. So the thing with me was just filling a void. I needed them to be there emotionally, physically, mentally, spiritually, all these different things. But most times I only got the physical, which wasn't really enough for me, which isn't really enough for anyone. But everything happens for a reason. So that's why I say I can't blame them, because of course some things are just a generational cycle. And with that as well, they were young. They had a lot of things going on within them where, they just didn't know how to be these things. So that's completely fine up to this point, of course, because now, like, I know better. and I know that there was a reason why I went through all of these things, of course, now to introduce a purity ministry to you guys. Yeah, so basically, filling a void. If that's something that you are also feeling right now within yourself, then I would say, continue to watch these videos, because as I put out each video, I'm gonna get deeper and deeper into my story, but I don't want to overwhelm you guys, so I just wanted to come and give you guys an more of a introduction. I did like introduce the ministry, but I want to give you an introduction to my actual story. So for me, it was filling a void, and with that, it was just allowing guys into my space, giving parts of me that wasn't supposed to be given to anyone. So if that's something that you are familiar with, then make sure you keep watching these videos, because we're gonna get deep. Like, we're gonna go there. So I definitely want you guys to keep watching, and if this is something that you're going through or that you've been through or anything like that, and you just want to reach out to me, my email will be linked in my description box for you guys to check that out. I'm sorry that I keep looking down at the screen, because my camera would stop recording and I wouldn't know at all. So yeah, if this is definitely something that you are interested in, make sure that you keep watching these videos. Make sure that you like if you like it. Make sure that you subscribe if you are interested in my channel. I not only am doing these videos, but I also do makeup and, little like spiritual videos as well. I am Christian, but I'm not the judge. Like, I'm Christian, but I'm not the judge. Like, I don't judge you. Obviously, I can't judge anybody if I'm here telling you guys my story. So it's just a thing where I want to be able to help someone else, because I wasn't able to get the help. And I feel like for the reason being because I had to go through it so that I could tell somebody else. So like I said, if you're looking for help or anything, you just want to talk, I am here and I am available. And I thank you guys for watching. As always, stay blessed and stay beautiful.